Well, hello my friends. Meet Rusty, my 1988 Ford F150 5.0 8-cylinder XLT. This puppy's been giving me trouble. It's been spit sputtering and misfiring here the past couple weeks. And I just spent over $1,000 for a new distributor, new plugs, and thought, oh boy, I got some dud parts. This guy right here, it's called an ignition control module. This is the old, pretty easy to replace. Just a plug goes in right there, plug here from the distributor cap, and 2 bolts to mount it. Now this guy was the only part that was not replaced a couple months back, so fingers pointed to him. Why not get it replaced? $47.99 at AutoZone. This guy's stressing me out, man. Okay, so I was all excited. I took the truck for a ride around town, and it still was spit sputtering and hesitating. Not as bad, but I still have a misfire. Yeah. Oh my word! Are you kidding me? There's definitely a misfire. So everything's pointing to the stinking distributor. And after doing some Google research, aftermarket parts, AutoZone parts. Anything but Ford, just doesn't go well with these old pickups. So, okay, I'll see you outside here. All right, there it is. I guess this is pretty easy to replace. There's just one bolt. I don't know if you can see it. One big bolt right there that holds it, and then that thing should slide right up. I'll take the cap off. But I think I'm going to leave everything plugged in because I don't want it all to get mixed up. That's when you'll have a complete disaster. But it's basically just two clips here. You just pop that off there, pull that one off, and then should be one on this back side. Just push that off, and then this top comes right up. And then take a picture of that timer. So when the new distributor goes in, it's set in the same exact place. Because I think if that's not in place, it'll throw off your timing and it'll just, open up a whole can of worms. So, all right, hang tight. All right, folks. So here is the new distributor. Got it on Amazon for $95. I know I was just going on about Ford parts, but I purchased this before the fact of learning that Ford should stick with Ford parts. There's one little bolt. Almost dropped it down in the motor. That little bracket with the bolt. That would have been a complete disaster. Alright, so I just put the new distributor in. Got everything fit into place exactly how it was. Let me flip around here for it. Right. Okay, so this is where things went south. I was rushing around because Cash had a ball game, and we had to get the girls at gymnastics, and I put the stinking distributor in backwards. That's not good. That's not good. Well, good morning, guys. It's the next day here. I was fiddling around with this distributor all afternoon, but then Cash had a ball game and we were just so busy. But now I'm back at it and made some adjustments with the distributor. Let me flip her. All right, here's the moment of truth. We got it adjusted there. Go ahead, Jen, fire her up. There she is. You got her, boys. Finally. Well, so I thought. The distributor's not the issue. It's doing what it did. I put in a new coil and a new distributor. and it's still misfiring. That could be a bad plug now. I have to figure this out. I gotta figure this out. Dun dun dun!